Coba karena kita ada di bumi Sunda, saya mau sapanya pakai bahasa Sunda, boleh Bu? Wilujeng sonten sadayana.
Sonten.
Kumaha kabarna damang? Alhamdulillah pangestu. Sampurasun.
Lampet.
Sampurasun. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everyone, welcome back again in my daily activity video. Today is Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. I'm in Wangon, Sentul area. The weather is drizzling right now and I'm so love that atmosphere. So you can see how's the weather and view in Tirta Arsanta Hot Spring area. By the way, I've just finished guiding an interactive angklung session for guests come from Wonosobo, Cilebut, and some are from Sulawesi province. So it's my first time. It's my first time and my first time experience guiding angklung for adult. This is my activity today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.